Newcastle Central Station, standing at the heart of the city since 1850, is one of the most iconic and architecturally significant railway stations in the UK. Designed by John Dobson and opened by Queen Victoria, it was a masterpiece of Victorian engineering, boasting one of the largest wrought-iron arched roofs in the world. Its grand design, featuring over 2,000 glass panes, gave it an air of opulence, marking Newcastle as an important hub in the rapidly expanding railway network. In its early years, the station served as a gateway to the industrial north and connected passengers from London to Edinburgh, making it a vital artery for both freight and passengers. For many travellers, arriving at Newcastle Central Station was the first step in their journeys through the city's bustling streets and to its industrial heartlands. But, like many of the UK's grand stations, Newcastle Central faced challenges as the 20th century progressed. The Second World War inflicted damage, and by the 1960s, the station's once grand appearance had begun to fade. Redevelopments during the 1960s and 70s sought to modernise the station, but as was common in post-war Britain, the architectural focus shifted towards functionality over beauty. The result was a series of unsightly modifications that buried some of the station's original charm under concrete and steel. In the 1960s, British Rail removed many of the station's intricate Victorian features, and the station began to feel like a shadow of its former self. The grandeur of the original design was obscured by practical but aesthetically bland additions, and the once vibrant station seemed to lose its connection to its illustrious past. Yet, Newcastle Central Station never lost its importance. Throughout the latter half of the 20th century, it remained a critical transport hub, serving major routes on the East Coast Main Line, connecting passengers to cities like Edinburgh, York, and London. Despite its downtrodden appearance, Newcastle Central continued to play a vital role in the city's life, not only as a railway station, but also as a hub for local bus and metro services. In recent years, the station has undergone a massive transformation, reclaiming some of its lost glory. The most recent redevelopment, completed in 2015, sought to modernise the station while respecting its historical significance. The station's entrance and concourse were revitalised with sleek glass features and modern amenities. The new design brought light and space back to the station, creating a welcoming atmosphere for the 8 million passengers who pass through each year. Despite these improvements, there remains a sense of loss for the station's Victorian splendour. While the modern redevelopment has undeniably improved functionality and aesthetics, the station's original charm has been diluted. The grand arches and intricate ironwork, while still present, are often overshadowed by the demands of a modern transport hub. For those who remember the station's original beauty, the redevelopment, while necessary, marks the end of an era. Looking forward, Newcastle Central will continue to be a critical hub, with future plans focusing on enhancing its role as a gateway to the city and improving its connections to the surrounding areas. With a blend of historical preservation and modern innovation, the station will undoubtedly remain a vital part of Newcastle's future, even if its past remains a bittersweet memory.